Gusto mo bang mag-flow ang blessing sa buhay mo? Ito ang secret. Pakinggan mo to. Psalm 104 says, "Enter His gates with thanksgiving and His courts with praise." Napansin mo ba yon? Thanksgiving ang entrance. 1 Thessalonians 5:18 says, "In everything give thanks." Hindi sinabing for everything, sinabing in everything. Kahit kapos ka ngayon at puro utang, kahit may problema, may dahilan pa rin para magpasalamat. Tignan mo si Jesus. Sa feeding of the 5,000, 5 pandesal at 2 isda lang. Pero bago ito dumami, He gave thanks. Gratitude first, then the miracle of multiplication happens. Kapag nagrereklamo tayo na kulang, parang sinasara natin ang kamay natin to receive the blessings. Kapag nagpapasalamat tayo, binubuksan natin ang puso natin to receive His grace, favor, and blessings. Gratitude doesn't force heaven. It aligns you with heaven's blessings to flow in your life. Simulan mo ngayon, my friend. Magpasalamat ka sa maliit, magpasalamat ka sa kung anong meron ka ngayon. Believe in Jesus. Siya ang source ng lahat ng good things. Comment mo dyan. Thank you, Lord, for everything. Blessed to be a blessing.